for quiet players. You're going to need to be physical. That early hit sets the tone here for both teams.
Score!
Always better to play from in front than to chase the game. There's the game's first goal.
Solid work there by Shen. Setting it up. And he gets it back. Score!
Interesting, guys, after the first goal is scored, whether the team that scored is going to continue to attack or whether they'll sit back a little bit.
Snaps one. Save with the pad. One-timer. He scores!
Now that the scoring's been opened up, we'll see if the opponent can punch their way back into this game. You can't be back on your heels too long.
Good, solid defensive play with the stick. Look out, here it comes.
Solid hit, directly.
Score! Great start on home ice, an early lead.
Always interesting, guys, after the first goal is scored, whether the team that scored is going to continue to attack or whether they'll sit back a little bit.
Outmaneuvers his man in the zone. Good shooting place. He scores!
Interesting, guys, after the first goal is scored, whether the team that scored is going to continue to attack or whether they'll sit back a little bit.
Laid on to Kane. Lets a shot go. He scores! Kane!
This is one shot I wish more young hockey players would use. Everybody wants to take the big slapper. It's not how hard you shoot it, it's how quick it comes off your stick. And that was quick.
Really don't know if he can do much more than that.
You give him time and space, and he's going to let that shot fly.
Right along the line. Shoots. Great save. Score!
The key, once you score one, try and get another. Push them back on their heels. They've got one, go get two.